Everyone, today we're gonna replace this switch. This is a Samsung stove, and this switch over here controls this dual heater, and it likes what it's doing right now. It's not controlling the heating. It's just constantly keep going. It overheats, and we get to the point where sometimes you can overcook your what you can overheat what you're cooking, and you can burn whatever you're cooking. And I had the same exact problem with this one, and ended up replacing this guy right here. He got corrected. Apparently, this switch inside controls the heat, whatever it is it has inside. I read about it already. It controls the heat. When it goes bad, this goes crazy. I don't know why they designed this way. Still put a temperature sensor in each side. They're pretty expensive too. We're talking about probably $130 in this model. I've seen it for $89, $100. Same issue. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove those couple screws it has over here. You got one here, one over there, and another over there. I got three. So we're gonna remove the screws first. I'm gonna remove them first. Okay, I got one more screw over here, and one more in this corner over here. I already got that all out, so I'm gonna remove those ones now. All right, I already got all them out. So what I'm gonna do next? I like to me. So you're gonna grab it. You're gonna lift it up. You see how it move up, and then you're gonna tilt this piece from the bottom side up this way, and then bring it down. It has a lid in here that it goes like this in the top. So I'm gonna show you right now. So if you see those devices, they're locking mechanism to prevent you to push a switch and turn it. It's a safety bulletin from Samsung. So you go online, at least for this model, and you put your serial number, and they send you these switches by mail. Another thing, before start doing this, always pull the breaker. Don't cut the power out of it. I just pulled the breaker. I didn't unplug it, but I went upstairs and pulled the breaker out. So now next step, I like to bring this up a little. Grab this, push it up. You see how it goes up, and then tilt it, and then bring it down. You see how easy it goes? Because this lid here goes in here. So I use this to hold this panel, so that way you don't fail. So what I do now is I'm going to pull this knob, and it has two screws here. That's what holds the switch on. So this switch goes in this position. So now we're going to unplug all these guys here. The blue one, white one, having technical issues here. I think it's easier if I take the switch off and get a screwdriver. So let's take the two screws out to see if I can Let's see now. Yep, got more room now. There you go. So if you want to make it easier for you, just take one plug out, put one in. Take this out, put it in. This one goes there. And the last one, put it here. Very easy. You can hear the click when the plug goes in. Now I'll put it here. And now we're going to install the screws back. Yeah, I already got my screws in after some fight. They fight for a while because they don't thread too much in. You snug them. We put this in, cap in. Now the trick here is, so now the trick is here. You're gonna place it like this. And go here. It's in. Now you have to lift it up and tilt it. And let it go down. And that's it. So once you let it go down, you look underneath. It's inside the metal. And now put your screws back, which you want will be one here, one here, one here, here, and here. It'll be 5 screws total. Put the screws back, and it will be done. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.